Hi, this is James with A Plus Blinds. Last month we received a phone call from Bowdies, a restaurant out in Zionsville, Indiana. They were having issues because they have garage doors with large windows on them. Several of their tables, actually most of their dining area is placed in front of those windows, and they were having issues with their clients sitting and eating dinner without getting blinded or getting super warm from the sun coming in. So we came up with a plan to install some solar shades over those garage doors, and I'd like to show you that project. It turned out really well. One of the first things that we do when we meet with clients is kind of take a look at the project, give some suggestions, and develop a strategy to, one, help with their issue, but also make it look nice. And in this situation, we decided to use a solar shade that would allow the clients to still look out as they're eating, but filter the amount of light that comes in. And so one of the obstacles on this project was mounting the hardware on the garage door tracks. Those garage door tracks are a little flexible, and so we had to figure out a way to reinforce those tracks as well as hold the brackets in place. And so we'll show you here how we tackled that. We are really happy with how this project turned out. I know the staff at Bowdies were excited to have these. I'm sure the clients will be happy to also sit with some comfort while they're eating. So thanks a lot for listening. We'll see you next time.